Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news from Europe today. In Europe, the ECB has begun its long-awaited bond buying plan, lifting the price of government debt and upping the pressure on private investors to take on greater risks in search of return. Yields are falling in Europe. The head of Eurozone finance ministers urged Greece overnight to stop wasting time and buckle down to serious talks on implementing a reform program to secure urgently needed fresh funds from its international creditors. German factory output rose, but exports fell by the largest amount in 5 months in January, dropping more than forecast and putting a slight damper on the outlook for Europe's largest economy. Though economists said the weakening euro and cheaper oil would help in months ahead. In Australia, former Treasurer Paul Keating has slammed the idea of dipping into retirement savings for a first home purchase. He said it's a bad idea, certainly not an innovation, and not responsible enough to be even considered a thought bubble. Consider yourself told. The US Treasury 10-year bond yields had a 5 basis points correction in New York early today and now at 2.20%. Local wholesale rates raced higher yesterday and steepened sharply. But going against this trend is local minnow bank SBS, who this morning announced a special 4.99% 5-year fixed home loan rate. If wholesale rates keep rising, it probably won't be in the market for that long. The crude oil price was fairly stable overnight and is now just on $50 a barrel, with the Brent crude price just at $59 a barrel. The gold price is also basically unchanged at $1,166 an ounce. New Zealand dollar starts today holding at its new lower levels against the US dollar at 73.6 US cents, 95.5 Aussie cents, and the TWI is down to 78.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.